The IoT Bootcamp began with an inspiring inaugural session. Shri Shaprang Sokme highlighted the importance of collaboration and sustainability, while keynote speaker Mr. Murugan Saiva emphasized India's technological progress and the need for practical skills in IoT and AI. Professor MD Iftikhar Hussain, Dean Nehu, spoke on IoT's vast potential, and chief guest Ms. Mitali Chandra, IAS Member Secretary, SCSTE, encouraged participants to apply science and technology.
You are here to come up with a solution. You are not a false finder anymore. You are here to give us a solution.
The session also marked the virtual inauguration of the AI IoT GIS Lab. Over 5 days, students explored device communication platforms, worked with microcontrollers, program embedded systems, and gained hands-on experience with Node MCU, ESP8266 boards, cloud integration, and real-time problem solving. The bootcamp concluded with students' presentations, guest reflections, and certificate distribution. More than just training, the program built a foundation for innovation, collaboration, and real-world IoT applications.